Seniors, what if I told you that one of the healthiest foods in America could quietly be harming your digestion, heart, or blood sugar? Not because it's bad, but because it's being used the wrong way. Avocados are often called a superfood, but for older adults, how you eat them matters more than you think. Today we'll reveal the most common avocado mistakes seniors make, and exactly how to fix them for better health, energy, and longevity. Why avocados are popular among seniors in the USA. Across the United States, avocados are a daily staple for many older adults. Doctors and nutritionists recommend them because they are rich in healthy fats, potassium, fiber, and antioxidants. They support heart health, brain function, joint lubrication, and even skin health as we age. But here's the truth most people don't hear. Avocados are powerful, and powerful foods must be used correctly, especially after 50. Mistake number 1, eating too much avocado at one time. One of the biggest mistakes seniors make is eating half or even a whole avocado in one sitting. Yes, avocados are healthy, but they're also very high in fat and calories. As we age, our metabolism slows down. Eating large portions of avocado can lead to digestive discomfort, bloating or gas, unwanted weight gain, blood sugar spikes in people with diabetes. For seniors, the ideal portion is usually quarter to thirds of an avocado per meal, not more. Fix. Enjoy small portions more often instead of large portions once a day. Mistake number 2, eating avocados on an empty stomach. Many seniors start their day with avocado toast or plain avocado, thinking it's a perfect breakfast. But eating avocado alone on an empty stomach can be hard on digestion for older adults. Because avocados are high in fat, they can slow digestion, cause nausea or heaviness, trigger acid reflux in some seniors. Fix. Always pair avocado with protein or fiber, such as eggs, Greek yogurt, beans, whole grains. This helps the body absorb nutrients more smoothly. Mistake 3. Using avocados with the wrong foods. In America, avocados are often eaten with processed bread, fried foods, bacon, heavy sauces. This combination cancels out many of avocado's benefits and increases inflammation. For seniors, mixing avocado with unhealthy fats and refined carbs can raise cholesterol levels, blood pressure, inflammation in joints. Fix. Use avocado with clean, simple foods like whole grain toast, steamed vegetables, lean chicken or fish, salads with olive oil. Mistake number 4. Ignoring medication interactions. This is extremely important for seniors. Avocados are high in vitamin K and potassium, which can interact with certain medications such as blood thinners, blood pressure medications, heart medications. Eating too much avocado without adjusting diet or consulting a doctor may reduce medication effectiveness. Fix. If you take daily medications, keep avocado intake consistent and moderate, and mention it to your healthcare provider. Mistake number 5. Eating overripe or brown avocados. Many seniors eat avocados that are overly soft or brown inside, thinking it's still fine. But overripe avocados lose nutrients and may cause digestive upset. Fix. Choose avocados that are slightly soft, not mushy, green inside, not dark brown, freshly cut, not sitting open for hours. Mistake number 6. Believing avocados alone improve heart health. Avocados help heart health, but they are not magic. Some seniors rely on avocados while ignoring exercise, hydration, overall balanced diet. Avocado works best as part of a healthy lifestyle, not a replacement for it. How seniors should eat avocados for maximum benefits. Here is the best way for seniors in the USA to use avocados safely and effectively. Eat core avocado per serving, pair with protein or fiber. Use 3 to 4 times per week, not daily. Combine with heart-healthy foods. Avoid eating late at night. Chew slowly for better digestion. When used correctly, avocados can help reduce bad cholesterol, improve digestion, support brain health, keep joints lubricated, improve skin and energy levels. Who should be extra careful with avocados? Seniors who should limit or monitor avocado intake include those with kidney disease, digestive disorders, blood clotting conditions, severe acid reflux. Always listen to your body. Discomfort is a sign to adjust. Final thoughts for seniors. Avocados are not the enemy. Misuse is. When eaten in the right way, at the right time, and in the right amount, avocados can be one of the best foods for healthy aging. But remember, more is not better. Smarter is better. Call to action. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with other seniors who care about their health. Let us know in the comments, how do you eat avocados? Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.